Hello and welcome to Market Harborough. I've come down on the bus because I wanted to come here today. This should be my last film before I get a new phone, and that means a new camera. So hopefully I will be able to have better quality videos when you next see one of my videos. Anyway, let's see what...
The 12th of April, our Intercity and Connect service are expected to be busy due to a football event in London. This will affect our Sheffield, Nottingham, London St Pancras and Luton London St Pancras routes.
Okay, lovely.
For further advice,
Shut up!
request assistance on your journey. Please either speak with station staff, get in touch
I'm trying to
with
speak here.
Railway, or call us on 03457 125678.
No thanks, I'm good. Anyway, let's see what shall come through here today.
Does not stop here.
We're about to pass by now. We have our first train of the day, and it will be an East Midlands Rail Meridian going from Sheffield to London St Pancras.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here.
222-101. That has passed through 4 minutes late. Okay, well, coming in now, we have the 1126 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras.
This train is formed of 5 coaches. A trolley service of drinks and light refreshments is available.
222-015.
First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
Next up for this after Market Harborough will be Kettering. About to pass by now, 5 minutes late. We have an East Midlands Railway Meridian going from London St Pancras to Sheffield.
Nottingham is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. The reason for the delay is currently being investigated by our team.
222-006. Nice clunking over the points there. Coming in now, 6 minutes late, we have the late running 1132 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Just seen it in the tree line, so it should be around the corner. There we are. Yeah, as I said, we should hopefully have a new camera the next time you watch one of my videos after this video. So hopefully my zooming in will be better because it won't be as pixely, and just the camera resolution should be better anyway. Triple 22021. Lovely. About to depart now, 10 minutes late, we have the 10 minutes? No. About to depart now, 8 minutes late, we have the late running 1132 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Formed of 222-021. This is the fast service to Nottingham, calling at Leicester and Nottingham only. Yeah, so next up for that is Leicester. About to pass by now, we have an 8:10 going from Sheffield to London St Pancras.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here.
8:10:006. About to pass by now, 1 minute early, we have London St Pancras to Sheffield service. Triple 2008. Clunk, clunk, clunk.
London St
About to arrive now, we have the 11:57 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Currently 2 minutes late.
This train is formed of 5 coaches. A trolley service of drinks and light refreshments is available on this train. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
222:017.
A valid ticket before boarding this train.
Lovely. Okay, about to arrive in now, we have the 12:04 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Looks like it's full purple to me, so that means it's 222:104.
Please keep your personal belongings with you at all times. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to a member of our team or the British Transport Police. You can text the British Transport Police on 61016. Remember the 3 S's. See it, say
Squeaky
it,
break time.
sorted. 24 hours.
About to depart now, we have the 12:04 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Triple 2104. Next up for that is Leicester.
Stop
About to
here.
pass by now, 6 minutes late. We have Sheffield to St Pancras International 8:10.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here.
About to pass by now will be our final train right now, and it will be an 8:10 going from London St Pancras to Sheffield. It's got its coupler open, mate. Close your front coupler. Clunk, clunk, clunk again. Close your front coupler, mate. You're not meant to have it open.